evening mga kahari. For today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano maganda ang pinakabagong Harry Premium Singalong soundbar with dual rechargeable mic. Sa ganda ng quality nito, para kang nagsilihan.
Wow!
I had a series of visions when I was younger. And after each one ended, the same thought would be stuck in my head.
What did you see?
I saw a nun.
This can't all be true.
Every word. CIA Black Vault break-in. Am I reading this correctly? The criminal bombing?
In fairness, the bomb was actually meant to kill him.
He gassed a security briefing.
At syempre, perfect din ito pang sound trip at pang parties. O diba, na-amazing ka? At hindi lang yan mga kahari. Dahil itong Harry Premium Singalong soundbar, ito, ayan. Hindi lang yan pang movie marathon. Kundi, may TV ka na, may instant video, okay ka pa. Dahil meron niyang rechargeable dual mic. Itong Harry TV WebOS ay may YouTube na kung saan napakadaming kanta na pwede nyo i-search magmula sa mga old song up to modern song. O diba, hindi mo na kailangan magpapalit-palit pa ng CD, magpa-update ng CD dahil kukunik mo lang ang ating Harry Premium Singalong soundbar dito sa ating Harry TV WebOS at pwede ka na kumanta.
Such a feeling coming over me. There is wondering most everything I say. Not out loud in the sky, got the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's a dream. Everything I want the world to be is now coming true, especially for me. And the reason is clear, it's because you are here. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I see. I'm on the top of the world, looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find.
O diba, pwede na kayo magkantahan buwan sawa with your family. Dahil dual mic na, hindi lang isang pwede kumanta, kundi dalawa. So pagdating sa connection nito, meron yung HDMI ARC, optical port, AUX, at USB. At the same time mga kahari, no, meron din tong Bluetooth na kung saan, kung may Bluetooth ang TV mo, pwede dito. Compatible sa mga any device na may Bluetooth kagaya ng laptop, cellphone, at mga TV. So syempre mga kahari, no, kita nyo naman kung gaano kaganda ang aming Harry Premium Singalong soundbar dahil meron ka rin yan RGB light. Meron din yung manual button na kung saan ito yung on and off. Dito mo rin papapalitan ang kanyang function. Kung gusto mo ba ng ARC, AUX, or Bluetooth, at iba pa. At the same time, ito yung play and pause. Ito naman yung Bluetooth kung gusto mo i-disconnect o i-connect. At the same time, ito rin ang ating volume down and volume up. Alam niyo ba mga kahari ng aming Honey Premium Singalong Soundbar ay nakikipagsabayan sa mga leading brand. Kasing ganda nila, pero di kasing mahal nila.
Wow!
Kung bibili ka na lang din ng speaker, dito ka na sa all-in-one. For only 4,999, meron ka na ganito kaganda at premium quality na Honey Premium Singalong Soundbar with dual mic. At syempre, kung meron kang mga Honey TV na kagaya nito, may discount ka. Available to sa aming mga online shop kagaya na Lazada and Shopee. Available to sa aming physical store located at Hillside Center Plaza, Sumulong, Hari, Barangay Memot, Lower Antipolo, Rizal. At syempre sa aming second branch sa DMA, Portal Mall, Cavite. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang aking video, i-like at i-follow ko kami dito sa Hari Plaza.